Brother, what happened on Grya?
Nothing good.
Can you be specific?
I would sooner focus on the mission at hand.
You are withholding information relevant to the mission at hand.
Mind yourself, Sergeant.
Your behavior has been erratic. You force your way into classified files. You tell us nothing. Patrio.
Oh shit.
We just
We lost our Oh fuck.
This conversation is over.
Homie's not being a very good captain.
Homie needs to get his shit together.
Wow. Wow.
This place is fucked up.
This is crazy, dude. Fucking Gillinor.
Eleanor.
I'll be tactical nuke incoming. Up.
Deal with them.
I need ambulance, my friend. Please, I need you to send ambulance to my house, my friend.
This boy's got fucked up.
Morellis, ready your men.
Stimmy!
You broke through. We're about to take down the Neurothrone.
Oh god.
Let's get
Make it suffer.
Make it suffer. Oh.
Concentrate fire on the Neurothrone.
Yeah, no, he's on crack.
Oh god. Sending all those little cracked out gremlins. Ah, it's not looking good. Here we go, last stand. Last stand, boy. Look at him over there. Just sitting over there like a little bitch.
Coward! I know that I want to punch you in the nose. I'll beat your goddamn ass, you son of a bitch! You coward! You think you're a tough guy? I hate you, coward!
I don't give a fuck. Yeah, don't, yeah.
Homie's riding the horse.
Xenos would have felt that for me.
Victory is ours, brothers.
That one's not over to you.
Heading for the bridge.
My big butt cheeks to move this one.
Damage is worse than I thought. Tech priests are working on it now.
Keep me updated. Brothers, let us proceed.
Literally only a excavator could do something like that.
Let none escape.
This is blasphemy. This is madness.
This is Sparta! Need to reload.
DJ, mix that shit up.
Help them on this point.
Yeah, that was.
If you're mid-swing and you hit execute, it chops their fucking heads off.
No. Damn.
Also, you're gonna love this next part, bro. Probably just heads up, you can run through the humans. You don't even have to shoot them. They explode like fucking bags of blood. It's disgusting.
Yep, I love this.
Yeah, this game's sick.
Yep. idiot. Wrong guy.
Purge the heretics.
Let us punish their treachery. They corrupt space and time.
Do not fall prey.
Throne, damn it. Do you have Luz?
Negative.
You have lose.
Find him and get him out of there.
And kill the
Hurry.
Tyranids.
What are we waiting
Fucking
for?
love that guy's Irish, bro. Shit is awesome.
Yep. Rips his head off.
Bridge clear. Cover Chiron.
I'm up right here. Wow. That was perfectly timed sniping, by the way.
I found ammunition.
Thing is sick, huh? If they had that in PvP, bro, I'd never die.
You would find a way.
100%. God, I fucking hate
All
that.
specs deep scan ready.
The arch enemy has defiled the objective.
Oh!
Commencing reload.
I told you.
Releasing
You would find a way.
He's not even fucking close. He's in our spawn!
Go. Oh. Homie lived by 0.100 health.
This is Imperial territory.
That's 2. Keep them coming.
The arch enemy has defiled the objective.
Oh. Not my homie.
This is Imperial territory.
Okay. 4.
Activating all specs.
Bring them on. This sharky hungry. This sharky
Ready to
hungry.
scan.
Objective locus updated.
Yup. 5, 6. Get him out.
The traitors attack our terrain.
All specs prime.
Oh, that's a hammer to my fucking head.
This is Imperial.
Damn!
Astartes,
slicing.
push for dominance.
I got him.
The traitors attack our terrain.
Dude, going invisible and then just shanking people in the back.
Was this planet worth?
Oh. Sniper got me.
Traitors attack our terrain.
Oh my god, that dude is not missing.
All specs engaged.
Hello there. No. Kill him.
Nah, he's got it. I don't understand.
Traitors
Like, how
attack
much?
our terrain.
Go to next. We need next.
The arch enemy has defiled the objective.
Oh!
A brother has
The arch
fallen.
enemy has defiled the objective.
There's a sniper somewhere. Fucking hitting us.
This is Imperial
Oh,
territory.
hello there. My gosh.
Swapping
The
magazine.
traitors attack our terrain.
Melioline cloak ready.
That sucks. Oh.
We gotta go to work.
You will be on your own from here. The Emperor protects.
That's all I do, boy.
We pursue the heretics into their profane.
Work.
Understood. Down.
Hold on, time out. Something is
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
rocking my computer right now. Maybe not. Game's running a little buggy. It's okay.
Little buggy, we're here to kill buggies.
I see a file too. The Imperials have a blazes to strike.
Yeah.
I am airborne ready.
Really? Not today, buddy.
That way. We got a sniper backup? I don't know how I feel about that. What's up, big boy?
Oh, I don't know what level this is on.
It's at average.
That silence the tuning's final kitty.
Yeah, it said average, I think, when we started.
Whoa, dude. They got ship fights going on right now.
Like ship to ship, or they're shooting the gargoyles?
Bro, look in the sky right now. What the
fuck is raining down on us? Oh, we got some big fights over here, boy.
gosh.
Yeah, I'm going in for that. Fuck you. I dodged.
Dead.
Sniper just took out like a whole little herd with his sniper. He's using that red one. That hit me?
Whoa, the sniper's on X Games mode, bro.
Yeah, you'd be shooting him, I'm not gonna lie.
Whoa, forgot to play? Whoa.
Okay, you're getting me stuck. Bastard. You bastard bitch.
Xenos hunger is insatiable.
What's happening out here?
You know Thor?
Imperium is indomitable.
Oh!
Strike down the Zoanthrope Venice.
I got the execute. Fuck yeah!
Yeah! Wow. That's
Oh, how
a
dare
crazy
we.
picture right there.
You be taking photos?
That was photo worthy. You just ripped a bug in half with a giant war going on behind you.